Hello crafters, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to introduce you to my very first collection of hot foil plates for Spellbinders called Foiled Basics. Previously, I've briefly shared a bit about this collection when I posted a video showcasing Spellbinders Glimmer Foil Basics project kit featuring this collection, and I shared 4 card ideas using the products from the line. You can find a link to that video in the cards right here or in the video description below. Today, I'd like to show you each of the products in detail and provide various examples of how the products can be used in card making. If you'd like to purchase this collection or separate products from this collection, I have links to the Spellbinders store and other stores carrying this line in the description box below. A quick note, all of these are hot foil plates, meaning they require a hot foiling system to use them. It can be a Glimmer hot foil system from Spellbinders or another hot foil system. These products are not dies. I adore everything Glimmer. Foiling adds such gorgeous and exquisite effects to handmade cards, it is really impossible to resist. When I was designing my Foiled Basics collection, I wanted to create a set of plates to be used together that would allow us, card makers, to smoothly and quickly build beautiful, one-of-a-kind cards. Let me show you each of the products in detail and explain how it can be used. By the way, there are only 4 products in this line. It's a very small but sweet collection. First up is the Foliage border set. It is designed to take center stage on your handmade card, be it an A2 project or bigger. There are 7 hot foil plates in this set, a foliage border, a circle, 2 flowers, and 3 branches or leaves. There are also 6 coordinating dies to cut these pieces out, and I'll explain why there's one less die in a minute. Now, the circle plate has been designed so that it coordinates with the 3rd largest circle from the S4 114 set should you wish to die cut just the circle piece out. We did not include the circle die in this set to keep the cost of the set to a minimum. The circle is such a widely used shape, I feel like everyone has circle dies of some sort in their stash, so even if you don't have the S4 114 set from Spellbinders, I'm sure you'll be able to find a circle die that works well here. This set is designed to be used in several different ways, which might not be obvious right away, so let me explain the different ways you can use it. First of all, you can foil the border and the circle together to have a beautiful piece like this. If you use a coordinating die to cut it out, you will have a beautiful die cut that looks like this. The border is designed to go around the circle and can easily be continued. If you foil the foliage border twice, you'll end up having a border that looks like this. You can even foil it 3 times to have a full wreath for your card, and that will look like this. By using a coordinating die, you can also die cut the wreath out. You'll need to make 3 cuts and piece the elements together into one wreath, as I've done here. You can see the wreath consists of 3 separate parts. The circle foil plate, as I mentioned, works with the 3rd largest circle die from the S4 114 set from Spellbinders. When combined with that die, it will give you a piece that looks like this. You can layer it over the foliage to add contrast, or use it on its own, as I've done on many cards, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Now, this set also has additional pieces that can be used to dress up your cards. All of the pieces come with coordinating dies to make it easy to use them. Here I have the flowers and leaves foiled in gold on light gray. You can layer the flowers on a circle, for example, to dress it up like so. Or you can add flowers to a foliage border to dress that up like so. Everything is designed to make it easy to use, and everything coordinates in this collection. If you want to use just the border piece, you can foil it alone and cut it out using the coordinating die, and you'll end up having a piece that looks like this. Now let me show you a couple of card ideas using the foliage border set. It certainly is the most versatile set in this collection. For this card, I foiled the wreath by foiling the border 3 times around the circle and then colored some parts of the leaves using colored pencils from Jane Davenport. By the way, you can also use other coloring mediums with foiling. You can use your alcohol markers, watercolors, and other mediums as well. Here I foiled the same wreath, but in Spellbinders' new opal foil for a tone-on-tone look, and I added a foiled and die-cut circle on top. For this card, I foiled the border twice around the circle for a partially foiled background. Next, I partially foiled it 3 more times to finish the background for the card, and also foiled the flowers as little accents. As for the flowers, they can be used separately on so many different projects. Here are a few cards I made recently and used the flowers to dress them up. All of these cards featured new products from Spellbinders, and I plan to have a video showing how to make some of these cards in a month or 2. The next set we have is the Polka Dot Strip Foil Plate, and this is designed to foil beautiful borders or even full backgrounds for your cards. You can use it on a portrait or on a landscape card. Or you can foil it multiple times to have a full foiled background. I personally love polka dots, and I really wanted to have a plate that would create fun background accents on my cards. Here's one card where I used it for a small background piece. I don't have any other cards on hand to show you, but here are some photos of the previous projects that I made using this plate. I had to ship the projects off to Spellbinders, so I don't have these cards on hand. By the way, there are many stunning card examples on the Spellbinders blog showcasing these products, and all of these were created by different talented designers. I encourage you to check the other card ideas out. Next up is probably my favorite set from this collection, and this is Yana's sentiments. There are 5 sentiments in this set and 5 coordinating dies. The sentiments read, "Sending my love," "Greetings," "Thank you," "Happy birthday," and "Best wishes." I feel like these are the most commonly used sentiments on cards. Like I mentioned, each comes with a coordinating die, so you can foil and cut the sentiment out and layer it on your project. The sentiments have all been designed to fit inside the circle from the Foliage border set, so everything coordinates and works well together. As you can see, every sentiment fits inside the circle easily, even once it's die cut. Here are some card ideas using these sentiments. They work well with this collection, but of course, they can be used with any other products on the market and make perfect little sentiments for your handmade cards. I even used some of them for the Spellbinders February Club cards here. Now, the final product in this collection is the Organic Foliage. This set features 6 plates and 6 coordinating dies that make beautiful organic foliage. These are meant to be used with a foliage border to enhance the border, or, of course, they can be used alone as accents on cards. I love the fresh and modern look of these. My favorite way to use them is to foil them in gold on various colors of cardstock, cut them out, and use them as accents next to the flowers or next to the sentiments. For example, you can also add additional foliage to the wreath to make it fuller if you want to. So these are all of the products in my foiled basics collection with Spellbinders. I hope you'll enjoy using these plates in your card making, and you'll have as much foiling them as I do. I hope you found this video to be useful. I cannot wait to see what you guys will create with these products. If you happen to make something, please share it online and tag me. I would love to see what you guys are foiling and creating with these products. Now, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified about every new upload. Love you guys. I'll see you next week.